Hello and welcome to the 2022-23 school year. I am Mrs. Wood, your forensic science teacher, and today I'm going to go through a presentation that will give you some information regarding our class. A little bit about me. I have my bachelor's degree in biological sciences from LSU. I've been teaching in Gwinnett County since 2006. So what is forensic science? Forensic science is a critical element of the criminal justice system. Forensic scientists examine and analyze evidence from crime scenes and elsewhere to develop objective findings that can assist in the investigation and prosecution of perpetrators of crime or absolve an innocent person from suspicion. So here are the topics that we'll cover this semester. The first semester, we'll cover Intro to Forensics, Crime Scene and Criminal Justice, Body as Evidence, Serology and DNA, Hair, Fibers, and Soil. Second semester, we will cover Glass and Soil, Fingerprints and Impressions, Ballistics, Question Documents, Drugs and Toxicology, and Arson and Explosives. So materials needed for class, you need a 1.5-inch 3-ring binder, loose leaf paper, pencils and pens, colored pencils, glue sticks, your GCPS issued Chromebook. Make sure it is charged daily and that you have it daily. This is the only device you will be able to use in class, and make sure you bring your charger with you. Additional supplies needed for our class: a roll of paper towels, a ream of paper, either white or colored, hand sanitizer, hand soap, a box of tissue, and Post-it notes. So let's talk about the grading procedure. Let's start with classroom assessments. Classroom assessments will be 35% of your 35% of your grade. That includes your classwork and labs, which make up 25%, and quizzes, which make up 10%. We have our summative assessments, which include unit tests and projects. Together, 45%, your unit tests making up 35% of that, and projects 10%. And then your final exam, which is 20%, it is broken into your written final exam, which is 15%, and your performance final exam, which is 5%. That information is also on the syllabus. Parents, please make sure that you have access to the parent portal so that you can make sure you are able to access your kids' grades. If you are having trouble with the parent portal, please contact Ms. Tracy Folsom, and you see her email information here. So preparing for success, make sure, students, that you keep your binder in order. Review your notes and classwork daily. That will definitely help with the retention of the information. Use any additional resources posted on eClass. Also, any additional resources posted on Google Classroom. Stay after school if additional help is needed, and we'll discuss tutoring and staying after school on the first day or the second day of school. Complete all assignments as a means of reviewing and practicing. Our book is Introduction to Forensics. We have a classroom set. And here's my email address if you have any questions or concerns. My webpage can be accessed through eClass. Course information will be available on eClass and Google Classroom. The syllabus and lab safety contracts will be available on eClass. Our class calendar is on eClass also. So a calendar of the main things coming up for you, like tests and quizzes, notes, electronic copies of assignments, and additional resources will be available on Google Classroom. I look forward to meeting all of you on the first day of school.